one. Okay, Central Davis A immediately picking up some cubes. Same with Big Banana. Central Davis A already lifting up, getting ready to score. Looks like Big Banana lifting up as well. Central Davis A immediately back to picking up some more cubes, as well as pushing off these drives. As we get to 35 seconds, you can now switch drivers. Central Davis A with a ton of cubes. With 25 seconds left, you must now switch drivers. And it looks like Big Banana has a ton of cubes in their system. Let's see if they can score in the time. Central Davis A looking to line up with the goal. They lift up. See how many points they can get. They get one. With 5 seconds left, will any teams be able to get the park? And it looks like Central Davis A manages to get it.
I know.
All right, moving on to qualification match number 66. We've got 40301A Code Crushers with 8